Tell me who I go do it for you. Nobody, nobody. Tell me who I go.
Make a jump in right now. Okay guys, so Rebel Sixx funeral was yesterday. All who don't know Rebel Sixx by now, he was a part of the Sixx, but him come from Trinidad, you see it? The nigga decide him named K-Lion, him also Trinidadian, you see me? And me a Jamaican, me need to make that clear so I know a Jamaican me there, do that video, you see me guys, so yeah, so him funeral was yesterday. The dog finally get rest in a peace and him get some support from friend and family. Gone but not forgetting, you see it? So I'm showing a look a glimpse. Yeah man people, so these are the earths, you see it? That are the earths where I carry. Alright guys, so I could jump into the next video, you see me? And this are gonna be in regards to Jahcure, and that are our Jamaican artist, you see me? And big man thing, you know say my day and it's like the news reached me so late, which yesterday the news reached me, you see me? So this what me I got talk about take place day before yesterday. You see me? So Jahcure has meeting an accident also. And the reason why me I got talk about this is because to the world around, right? And Intence also went in a motor vehicle accident, guys. And you see the car I just show you, the yellow one there hit him right off, see it? You see me? So Jahcure right off the car there. Wicked, you see me? So as you can see and think, you see me? But the greatest thing, the man alive, you get me? Cause car can fix back on them something there. You see me? Yeah man, so I feel I should have informed about that, you see me guys, so them think they are going out there. If for all who don't know, you see me, cause you know we are the entertainment reporter, dancehall news, Jamaican news, you see pray. Yeah man. I hitting up people and like when I say Intence also meeting and motor vehicle accident, you see me, but the only difference though is that let's say at the front of my boy car Jahcure right off, at the side of Intence car right off. And you know say I don't analyze everything and thing and I show you the clips. So watch it. As you can see it, the damage take place over the right side of the vehicle. And this vehicle that Intence drive is a left steering vehicle. Tell me how great that is. And God is good. You see me? So right now the artist currently in recovery mode. But me sure say I don't know that serious. Hopefully not. And no, you know after effect neither. You get me? Yeah man people. So man I got the dog I got alright man. And them money are the young boss. You see me? Greatest thing too. Yeah man, enough things going for that area, you see me? Can't afford for yeah a week no with culture and certain things, you see me guys? Yeah man. All the boy foot a hype about ancestor strong and this and that. Be a 40 attack, you hear that? Just a normal accident reach the dog. You see me? Like how it can reach anybody else. You see me? And let me tell you something. Alright, hear this. Yes, since the whole happenings, the accident and people start share for them opinion and you know negative people, you see it? We not response for certain negative people, you know. You see me, that's why I'm always big up my fans them on the page, you guys. But you see foot a hype on the behalf of Intence right now and what take place. Them have a thing named Karma. You see me? And you see me? Me assure you the man right now I take big forward off a certain things. So I hope when Karma ready for slap him back and attack him back, him ready for it. Cause him not no powers, him know that me I tell him that straight up. You see me? So I want people like, share and subscribe to that video, cause we not talk what we not do. You see pray. Yeah man. And that's how we do we think Intence, big up yourself. Alright guys, so at the end of the video, this, as you can see, big up on yourself, watch the rest of the video, always, active and post daily videos. So like, subscribe, share to a friend or family. I'm out.